If you're looking for a mystery book and learn about what can be used as blackmail, then A Case of Blackmail in Belgravia by Clara Benson is a book for you. Nicholas Maltravers, known as Tiki, is celebrated by most and is invited everywhere, but it's not sure how he got that status. After a birthday party, Tiki dies due to poison. The suspects are the guests of the party, one of whom is Freddie Pilkington's mother, Cynthia. Freddie is a pressman at a newspaper but forced to be a detective to try to understand the why of the murder and who the murderer is, doing his best to cover for Cynthia, whose subversive and evasive behavior only makes her appear as the culprit. It turns out that there's plenty of motive to murder Tiki, as Tiki was blackmailing all his friends. Moral dilemmas abound, as although relief was brought through a murder, what should be done about the murderer if found? Till the next review.